In the previous video, I explained how to actually use this Kim plugin on GOAT SDK to use natural language and transfer tokens on Mode Network. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually extend this more to make your AI agent do more things and be able to access more information. So I actually changed this example, and I'm going to show you guys what I changed and how I'm importing Coingecko API. So as you can see here, I'm showing you guys the version control. So anything green is anything that I've added. So I added this import here, right? I'm importing the Coingecko plugin, and I'm using that imported plugin here, right? So whatever plugin you want to import, you import it up here, as I did for Coingecko, and you put it down here in the plugin, right? So you can go to Coingecko actually, and you can go to the actual package and you go to the plugin, see Coingecko, and you can go to its plugin and see that it accepts the parameter API key. So in addition to just putting it down here, you can see what it takes in, right? So it requires you to put in a Coingecko API key. So for your .m.template or for your .m file, you want to put in your Coingecko API key here. So it recognizes that. Other than that, that's honestly really it. One other thing you have to do to make sure this is recognized is go back to the root directory, or go back to the TypeScript directory and run npm install npm build, just so this gets recognized and rebuilds. So yeah, just to show that it works now, we can just run the default command, and let's see, I want to get the price of mode. See if it gives us the right price for mode. Okay, it says the price of mode is 0.0397 USD. We can check that here. Yep, as you can see here, 0.0397. If we refresh, yep, looks good. Okay, so now we can actually use the Kim tool and just make sure that it's also working in addition to the Coingecko API tool. Okay, as you can see here, we have swap to USDC for mode, and we can put in the actual transaction hash, just copy it correctly, and see the transaction. Bang, as you can see here, 2 USDC for 50 mode. So the swap happened correctly, and in the wallet, bang, just happened there. Now we have 1.922 USDC, and now we've got more mode. So as you can see, this is a very powerful tool to have an AI agent being able to get information for all prices of a token and being able to swap for you.